Good morning, everybody. First blizzard. Just wanted to show everybody how the goats are. They're inside, nice and warm. Just got milking done. Eating. There's Edgar. I know, Edgar. It's snowing. So, gotta bring them some hay because they ate everything up already. But it's a snowing out there. Show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like out there. That's my snow so far. Nobody wants to be out there in it. So they're inside nice and warm. Much happier. Warm and dry. Hope you are doing the same. Later.